I haven't actually started, I'm Googling.
Googling how to do it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because you know you get like pre-made parts that never fucking fit. Does this. I put the right t-shirt on today, you can't see all my chins if I look down.
What is it then?
An E30 subframe, front subframe. And it comes with repair kits and all sorts, and this one doesn't want to fit. The other bits fit.
Which is the one that doesn't fit?
This bugger. Oh, that fell on the floor. So it looks like it should go there.
Yeah.
But then there's a fuck off great big gap at the bottom, and I don't really want to hammer it down because then it's going to look naff. And I don't want to put it at an angle because that looks...
Oh, the other one's the same, so it's obviously meant to be like that.
Yeah. Because that looks naff like that. So I'm just seeing what other people have done before I fuck it up.
Yeah. Sounds like you know what you're doing.
Of course I do.
It's a custom shop.
Yeah, exactly.
We make shit work.
No, custard.
Custard.
I don't even like custard. I think it looks like shit. Like that. Just like that. I need some painkillers. I'll do it like that.
Yeah, yeah, chop that piece out so that it sits flush, and then you can get a nice weld around the back of it. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that a bit first, seems as that's the bit.
Whatever you want.
You fucking stop. Pikey.
What you can do, cut that bit out.
Cut that out, so then this will go flush.
So it'll sink into it.
Yeah, rather than just on top. Choppity chop chop.
Okay.
Chop them off there. So yeah, chop these welds and hopefully, plan is, off like that. It worked!
Nice.
Something I did actually work. Wow. Please no, I'm not chopping up E30 parts just for the fun of it. They do need repairing. First time I ever done any welding on a car. Dad was there and I was welding away and he sprayed some brake cleaner on the floor and all the way up my leg. Not happy.
Yeah,
sit a lot more flush, which is a lot nicer. Bearing in mind this is a repair, not reinforcement. Other people don't chop them off, they chop down there and put it on the other side. Reinforcement. We're not doing that. We're doing repair. So just going on there like that. So I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the edges of this because it's a bit yuck. And then obviously do the same for the other side. Do the other bits. So we've got them bits, and them bits to weld on both sides. I'm gonna clean it all up where I need to weld, and then make sure it fits, and then I'm gonna weld it all at once. Obviously, not making sure it doesn't get too hot. So I might weld one, go the other side, do the other one. I won't weld all one side at the same time because too much heat is bad, very bad.
What would it do?
It can warp metal.
Oh, okay.
And it's just, I don't like doing it. Even if some people say, "Oh no, it'd be fine," I don't like doing it. It just makes me feel better.
Just out of practice.
Doing one side, other side, that side. You know, it doesn't hurt to leave it to cool down in between a little bit. So better to be safe than sorry. What am I doing? You put me off track. Right. Get going there. Hi. So that's going on there like that. But what I am going to do is here, it's resting on that bit of weld, so I'm going to get that as flat as I can, and then it'll all be, because it's a bit uneven, so it's probably going to be the same for the other side as well. Yeah, uneven on that bit, so I'm just going to grind that a little bit flat. It's not like it's going to make any difference to it because I'm putting more weld into it, so it'll be fine. That's a bit better. Still a little bit, but not as much, just because I'm taking a little bit. Proper job. So on the world of Google, I've seen that a couple people have welded them in so that there's like a lip like that, and then obviously weld them along here and then hammer them down as well. So I think,
yeah, so it bends into place.
Yeah, so I think that's what I am going to end up doing, just to make it look a little bit nicer than having that gaff. Yeah, you know what I mean.
So it doesn't need to be flat then?
I don't think so. This one isn't. We are professional, I promise. PPD! Oh, this might be the parcel! This is exciting. Yay! I don't have to stay out in the rain.
So what's that clamp for that you've just got on there?
That is the, well, when I was in college they called it the weld return. The earth. Without that, you can't get arc. They need these. I couldn't see halfway through. I was like, where's the line? That's that done. You better fucking subscribe, bitches.